Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to write an essay on my dream house in about 10 lines. My dream house is where I can live happily with my parents and my brother. I want the house to have large rooms, the house should have a big veranda for me to play with my brother. It should have a nice kitchen. All the rooms of my house should have big windows to let in cool air. The walls in my home should be light pink in color with beautiful painting of Krishna. There should be a balcony with a beautiful view. I would love a small garden with trees, plants, and colorful flowers. The garage should be big enough to park our car. My sweet home will make me feel safe and comfortable. Hope this helps. Thank you for watching.